this? You're strong? You're strong? Yeah. Hey, is strong boy? Is a strong boy?
Yeah.
Say, I'm a strong boy.
No.
Ah, you're not strong? Oh, no. Hey is not strong. But I'm ready. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Hey, I want to ask, hey, do you know how to swim? Do you know how to swim?
Yes.
Yes, you know how to swim? Really? You're a good swimmer? You're a good swimmer? Hmm? Okay. How do you swim? Show teacher. How do you swim? How do you swim? Show me the action. How do you swim? Like this? Huh? Okay, all right. Let's start the lesson now. Okay, focus, please. Wow. Okay. So what is the title? Read. Pool. Sam's pool party.
Sam's pool party.
Okay, it's pool. It's long O. Okay. Pool. Pool is, you say it this way.
Pool,
Pool. But if it's fall,
pole,
it's different. Oh, what is it? Yeah,
Holy. Holy.
what is this?
Holy.
Pool.
Holy.
How do you read this? How do you read this first?
Holy.
pool,
Pool.
Holy.
What is this? Pool.
Holy.
pool pole,
Pool. Okay. Pool is longer. Pool. Okay. If it's pool, shorter. Shorter. Okay. Shorter sound. Shorter sound, baby. Okay. Pool. 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 Okay. What is the title? This one. What is the title again? Can you read this?
Sam's pool party.
Okay. Sam's pool party. And do you remember these words? What are these words again? Read it for me. Sit down. Sit down. Read it for Teacher Mo. This one. Okay. What is it? Pool. Daughter. Taught. Daughter. Taught. 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 Come on. Daughter. Again. I want to hear. Daughter. Taught. What's this?
Naughty.
Yes. And naughty. Caught. What about here? What are these words again?
Bought. Brought.
Brought. Bought. Brought.
Brought.
Not brr.
Brought.
No. Listen to teacher. Bought. Brought.
Not brought.
Yes, not brought. No. Brought. Okay? Simple. Yeah. Yeah. Just very soft. Brought. 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 One more. Brought. Carry. I can carry this chair. Say it again. I can carry this chair. All right. Okay. Next, what about? Very good. What about here? Fought, thought.
What? Top. Top.
Fought. Oh, wait. Fought, thought.
What?
Fought, thought.
What?
No, not p. This is the th. Th. Yeah. Fought, thought. Nope, 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 nope. Don't do that. Okay, here. Look, F and S. Thought, thought. Yeah.
Thought. Thought.
Thought, thought. Let's
Không hề.
and
Chicken.
yeah.
Dạ cô. Mình là tên là Fufu.
Okay, let's get serious now. Let's get serious. We need to finish before having some jokes and fun. Okay. One more, my dear. Thought, thought.
Thought. Thought.
Okay. And so here, I want you to check all the odd words in this set of words. You put a check, okay? Yeah, try it for me. Thought, daughter, naughty, and caught. Can you put a check? Let's see if you know it. All right, good, good, good. Let's see. Okay. Oops. Wait a minute. Something. Oh, there. Okay, let's see your answer. Okay, where is that? So that is thought. Okay. Well, hey, congratulations. Those are correct answers. So what is this? Thought, daughter, naughty, and caught. Say it again, please.
Thought.
Daughter,
Daughter.
naughty,
Naughty.
caught. Caught.
Thought.
Caught. Okay, there. All right. And listen. If you hear this, it means listen. Stop. Okay.
Don't hear. I don't hear.
You cannot hear? Yeah, you cannot hear? Okay. So let's check again. Okay. Here, this is your time to answer this. All right. What is the answer for number 1? Steve?
Steve.
What is that?
Bought. Things.
What?
Brought a bite at the lock. Cindy taught the bite to the lock.
Wait.
Me
Steve brought. This one is brought. Okay, brought is his daughter a bike at the lock. What about number 2, Cindy? Bought the bike. Okay, bought the bike. Very good. 2.
in the lock. In me talk.
Very good. Okay, taught her how to ride how to ride the bike, right? There, okay. So you have to remember that always, okay? What about here? Let's try to read. What's this one? Okay. What movie and
Store.
and what about the next one? What is that? DVD. Yes. And what is it?
Party and pool.
Pool. Okay, so let's read a story.
Hey, Dad, can you bring to me a store? Sure, I ain't go out now. I want to look at the movies. Baby, we buy a DVD.
Yes, maybe I will buy.
On sale.
Okay, why do you want to go? Come on.
Why you want to go the to the store.
Mhm.
Timmy, I want to buy a swimsuit.
Okay, I want to buy a swimsuit. Oh, really?
Oh, really? Oh, really? Why do you need a swimsuit? It is Sam's birthday. He will have a party.
Okay. So who will have a party? Who will have a party?
Me.
Hehe will have a party? You will have a party? Oh, okay. All right. But in the story, it is Sam's birthday. So he will have a party. And next one. Oh, will you have?
Oh, will you give Sam a swimsuit? No, it
I
will.
will wear.
It will be a full party too.
Uh-huh.
They will also be the band so that we can dance.
We can dance. Wow. So that is the pool party. Do you want to have a pool party?
Yup.
Whoa, why? Why you don't like? Here.
So,
Oh,
jump loop,
jump.
jump,
Oh,
jump loop.
wait. You don't want a pool party, but you want to jump rope? Yeah?
I want to
I want.
swim.
What do you like?
Swim, not a party.
Huh?
Not have a party.
You don't like to have a party? Yeah? Or do you like to have a pool party too, like who? Sam and Jimmy, they will have fun. Yeah? So, do you want to have a pool party? I don't. Come on, hey, hey. What is your sentence? I don't like pool.
Fun.
Okay, I don't like a pool party, but I like to jump rope. Is it? What do you like to do?
No.
I like to jump rope.
I want to swim.
Oh, you want? Oh, you like a pool party then? Hmm?
No.
No. What do you like? I mean, I'm confused. What is your answer? Do you like swimming? Do you like pool party?
I want swimming.
I like to swim. Or maybe I just like to swim, but I don't like a pool party. Is it? Okay, all right. No, don't play with that, please. Nope. Listen very well, okay? Read this one. I just, come on. I just like to swim, but I don't like a pool party. Go. Okay, I got it there. And going back here. So what is this? Can you answer this for me? Come on, let's.
Party. Pool.
Is this right? Am I right?
Party.
Is
Pool.
this right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong, because what is the right answer? Can you show me the right answer? Show me the right answer. Okay, that is correct. So this is a pool and this is a band. Okay. Hey, focus now. Focus, please. Please. Focus in class. All right. Focus. Call me Oi. Come on. Here. Read this one for you.
Can you bring me to a store. Sure, I am going out now. I want to look at the
Okay.
movie.
Buy
Maybe
the
I will buy a DVD. DVD.
DVD. Okay, so your answer here is store. I'm going out now. I want to look at the movies. All right, and I want to buy a
Sorry.
DVD. DVD. All right. Mm-hmm.
No.
Yes, that's right. Okay. What about here? Let's try this one. Hmm. Okay. So Sam, our dad was asking, hey, why? Why do you need a swimsuit? Why?
It is Sam's birthday. We will have a birthday party.
Yeah. So number one is right.
And number
And here,
3.
what is the sentence for this one? Can you arrange it for me?
We be a pool party.
It will be.
We
Oops.
will
It will.
be a pool party.
Okay, it will be a pool party is the correct answer. Cool. What about here? Hey, Dad, can you bring me
Hey,
to the
Dad.
store?
Yes, I go out. I don't know.
Hmm? What's your answer here? Hey, Dad, can you bring me to the store? Hmm.
Sure, I go out now. I want to look at the movie. Maybe I will buy a DVD.
I will buy a DVD.
DVD.
Yeah,
DVD.
DVD.
DVD. DVD.
DVD is like this. Yeah.
DVD. Yes. Skibidi. Yep.
Uh,
Skibidi.
okay, this is a DVD. All right. Hey. And so why do you want to go to the store, Timmy? Why do you want to go to the store? Hey, focus now. Please focus. Okay. Hmm. Please focus.
Please focus. Hãy tập trung.
Hãy tập trung. Why do you want to go to the store, Timmy?
Then I buy a swimsuit.
Okay, so I will go buy a swimsuit. Can you say that again? A swimsuit at the store. Okay. So what about you? Do you have a swimsuit for boys? Do you have this too? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, do you have a swimsuit?
Yes.
How do you answer that? Do you have a swimsuit, Hehen? Yes, I have a.
Swimsuit.
What color is it?
Yellow and orange at letter M.
It's color yellow and
Now
orange.
blue and orange, not
Ah,
yellow.
okay. Blue and orange with a letter M.
Yes.
With a letter M on it. Okay, one more. Practice this. Read.
Yes,
Yes.
I have a swimsuit. It color blue and orange with a letter me on it in the swimsuit.
Letter M on it. Okay, with a letter M on it. You can say that way. All right. Okay, cool. And oh, really? Why do you need a swimsuit again? Why do you need a swimsuit?
find
Again?
there.
Because
We also hear a band so that we can dance.
Because look, it is, why do you need a swimsuit? Because it is,
Same part.
yes. Oh, will you give Sam a swimsuit?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
No?
Oh, we need to wear the swimsuit. It will be a pool party.
Yes. Again, they need,
Be a band so this in the party.
okay, there. So, swimsuit for boys for the pool party. Huh?
Girl.
Swimsuit for
Girl.
boys.
For
Oh,
girls.
that's for the girls. This is for the boys, okay? Yes, there. Swimsuit for boys. See, there is a pool party. And when we say pool party, it means there will be pool swimming,
In the shoe.
swimsuit and
In
swimming
the shoe. In the shoe.
pool. Wow, this is a swimming pool. Let's see, swimming pools in Vietnam. Oh, would you like to go here? Yeah, this is in Ho Chi Minh. Yeah. Wow.
Swimming pool in pro.
In
Swimming pool is in bye bye Vietnam.
swimming pools. No, this ones, my dear Hehe, are swimming pools.
Party.
Listen first.
Swimming swimming
Listen
swimming
first.
pool for
These are,
both
yeah, swimming pools.
both.
Okay. Hmm. Yes, okay. Do you know how to swim?
Yes.
Yes. Complete sentence. Do you know how to swim? Hey, hey.
Yes.
I know how to. I know how to swim. Is it easy to swim? Because teacher Mel is
I know how
scared.
to swim.
Is it easy?
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe no. Maybe swimming in the pool is so possible.
It's very
Possible.
comfortable. Okay, it's very easy. Of course, you want the water cold or just warm?
Watching.
I don't
No.
like very cold water in the swimming pool. I like it warm.
Pool.
Pool parties. Okay, there. And
Pool cold.
huh?
Pool is still so cold. I do that.
I know I can do that. No, don't play with that. No, teacher don't like that, okay? Don't play with your saliva, please. Nope. Here, what does Timmy want to buy?
What does Timmy want to buy?
He wants to buy what?
I will buy a swimsuit.
Okay, the question is, what does Timmy want to buy? He wants, start with he wants. He wants to buy a swimsuit. Now, what about you? Hey.
I don't hear you.
Can you hear me?
I don't hear you.
I can hear you.
Yes.
Hey, what do you like to buy?
I hear you.
What do you like to buy?
I want to buy
Very good. I want.
chicken tomorrow.
You want to buy me? Oh my God. You want to buy me? I'm not for sale. Yeah. You want to buy me? OMG. It's a big. No. 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 You cannot buy Teacher Merle.
No.
No. Why'd you like to buy Teacher Merle? Why?
Buying.
Oh, you will buy me something or you will buy Teacher Merle? Huh? What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy?
I want to buy.
I want to buy. What do you listen? Come on, let's practice your sentence. What do you want to buy? Hehe.
I want to buy chicken meal.
Oh my God. Oh my God, you want to buy Teacher Merle? Why? Why you want to buy Teacher Merle?
I'm sorry.
Again?
You are sorry.
You are?
You are toy.
I'm a toy?
Yes.
Am I like Hello Kitty? Am I a toy? No. It's a
Yes.
no. Teacher Merle is not a toy.
No. Yeah.
No, I am not a toy. Yes.
Yes.
Can I buy you too? I will tell mommy and daddy, hi ma'am, sir, I will buy Hehe. I will bring him to the Philippines. Yes? You wanna come with me and stay here in our house?
I put you on your head. I put you on the bed.
You will put me on the bed? Nope. Okay.
Put you
Oh.
in the long hole.
You will put me on the bed, so I will be your toy. Yeah? Teacher,
You are the ball.
I am the
Ball.
like a ball?
Yes.
Like a ball? Like oh my God, like this?
It's like a ball.
Oh my God, teacher is like a ball and maybe a capybara and you will hug me. Hug. I'll be with you, right? Okay. Yes. Well, okay.
Timmy.
Timmy and Timmy. Timmy. Teacher Merle became Timmy. Oh my God, no, I cannot be, okay? All right, but so, I want you to review the lessons. You study, you practice the words and pronunciation, okay? Pool, not Paul. Pool party. Say it one more.
Pool party.
Very good boy. Okay, I have to go because my student is here now. See you.